So I got something to show you, and it's kind of handy. All right, so Kingbolen sent me out a battery tester to show and demonstrate for you guys. It is part number BM550. I've got 2 batteries here. We're gonna go ahead and test these 2 dead batteries. First, you're gonna go ahead and put the positive to the positive, negative to the negative, and then you're gonna select which voltage you're going to be using. These are 12-volt batteries. And then you're going to enter your cold cranking amps, and this one is a 690 cold cranking amp. So now we're going to go ahead and review our test results. Big ol' whomping 1 cold cranking amp, 3.95 volts, 26,661.79 resistance, system of charge 0%, system of health 0%. That's what you get with a junk battery. So now I'm going to test another bad battery. Go ahead and put your positive to your positive, negative to your negative, and would you look at that? It's not even going to give us anything. That's how bad this battery is. So if you get this type of function, if you get this blinking, that means your battery's really bad. Again, this one's a 12-volt battery. This is 800 cold cranking amps. So we're going to go ahead and get this up to 800. These are new batteries, so this should look pretty good for us here. Let's see here. Almost there, almost there. There we go. Now let's see what we got here. Cold cranking amps. 948 cold cranking amps available, 12.14 volts, resistance 2.74, system of charge 23% because I haven't charged it in a while or ran the truck, and then system of health 100% of the battery life. That's pretty cool. 12 volts. Got to get this back up to 800 again. All right, now let's go ahead and see what we get for cold cranking amps on this side for the battery. 969, 12.13 volts, 2.68 resistance, 21% charge, and we're gonna go ahead and system health is 100%. Awesome, to be expected. So all in all, I think it's a pretty handy little tool to have. Again, it's a very cheap and affordable tool to have. It's nice to have to be able to just test your batteries. I don't have a battery tester, so now I do. I can test it with my scan tool, but this is kind of just a quick little thing to grab to test batteries, especially if you have multiple vehicles. It does the 6 volts, 12 volts, and 24-volt batteries. So again, very handy to have. And I don't know, for the price, I would suggest it for the price. It's easy to use, gives you the information you need. So there's your part number again, Kingbolen BM550. It's their battery tester. Pretty good quality, especially for the price. I got to thinking, let's test another battery. Connect your positive, connect your negative. Select our 12 volts. 750 cold cranking amps is this truck, so let's go ahead and get this up to 750. I definitely thought it was more than that, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Interesting. 853 cold cranking amps available. Voltage 12.14. Resistance 3.04. System of charge 68%. I just recently ran this. And then system of health 100%. It's definitely a newer battery. So there you go. Pretty cool. Kingbolen BM550.